Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Dana here. So I wanted to show you this box that I got from Simon Says Stamp. This was one of their Black Friday exclusive, there we go, exclusive Black Friday boxes. I have no idea what is in here. I have not looked. I just cut the tape because y'all don't need to sit here and watch me cut tape. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive in. Now, some of this is an order that I placed at the same time. Some of it is also the Crafty box. So it looks like this is my order. This is just the distress mica stains, and then the just a couple regular of the stains to kind of round out my collection a bit more. And the mica stains were on sale, and so I got a backup because, you know, you can't have too many mica stains. Okay, so let's see what's in this box. So you get a cute little card and then a $5 off coupon. Ooh. So many goodies. I'm excited. Okay, so first thing, there is this little fox die. Oh, there it is. This is from Memory Box. It's just an itty bitty little fox die. Cute. And then this Simon Says Stamp die that says So Good. So this is Simon Says and CZ Designs. Ooh, and Tim Holtz. Oh, cool. These are the ribbons and bows adornments. Those are very cool. I like those. And then a T-square ruler. Can't have too many of those. And we got some ribbon. Ooh, that's pretty. This is called Rhubarb Pie ribbon. And this is from Paper Tray Ink. Very cool. I like that. Ooh, and some craft tacky glue. Can't have too much glue, that's for sure. And an ink pad, saltwater taffy, one of my favorite distress colors. And some grit paste crypt. Awesome. Definitely be using that during the Halloween season. Oh, and we got some crayons. So this is holiday set 4. Not sure what year. Don't see a year. But it's the holiday set 4. And the colors aren't listed on there. And I don't really want to open the... Oh, it's the one with the merriment. So this was 2022, I believe. We got some ink. Agene? Is that how you say that? I'm not even going to try to butcher that again. But this is the Positively Saturated ink. This is awesome because I've never tried these. And it looks like you get a couple more. So you get the blue-green hues. So you got Tropic and Tide Pool. Very cool. Excited to use those. Ooh, and then we got some Distress Glaze. This one is Bundled Sage. And then Abandoned Coral. Very cool. And some baseboards. Oh, these are the window frames. Ooh, I like those. Very cool. I have been loving using the shattered transparencies behind windows. Those are awesome. I will definitely use those. Ooh, and a glue stick. I needed another glue stick. And this is some paper. Let's see if I can flip through this real fast. So this is just some pattern paper. Oh, pretty. Ooh, I like that one. Very cool. Not sure who made those. Very cool paper. Let me put this over there. Ooh, and some more mica stains. Oh, these are the 2022 Halloween ones. Sweet. 2 of my favorite colors, the Wicked Elixir and the Fortune Teller. Awesome. excited about those. And then we've got sketched rose. Oh, this is some foil plates, foil and cut plates. Cool. And then a little distress badge. Don't have any of those, so I got the Lost Shadow, another one of my favorite colors. Oh, and then some little sticky notes. Cute. The little grippies. Cool. So now I've got the teal and the red. Very cool. These are awesome. Highly recommend these. Ooh, and some blending brushes. Cool. These are the Itty Bitty Simon detail brushes. Very cool. Oh, and then we've got another foil and cut set. This is the Intricate Rose. Very cool. Oh, You Made Me Who I Am die. Awesome, awesome die set for moms, teachers, anybody you look up to. Very cool. I'm so excited about this. I almost ordered this when I saw it on sale, but I didn't. And I'm so happy I didn't because now I have it and this is awesome. I may or may not have to go get the matching die set if it's not in here. And we got some distress paint. This is in Pine Needles. Fantastic. I'm not sure if I have this one. I might. But hey, you can't have too many distress products. Oh, that's cool. This background stamp. This is Chevron. Very cool. Oh, I'm about to have a stuff avalanche here. And then we got this stencil. What is this? Slim Line Scene Builder. Say that 3 times. So you've got some clouds and a little house and very cool. Oh, cool. One of their little grippy doohickeys. The Positively Everything tool is what they call them. But I like grippy doohickeys better. And it's just one on there. Awesome coaster for your craft room if you don't use it for your inks or anything. Then we've got some of their little words here. These are toner print. If you haven't seen these are toner printed, so you can foil these. If you have that type of foil. I don't. I just have the glimmer foil, but it works with the heat transfer foil. Oh, this is cool. Ooh, and it comes with a die set. This is Joys of Spring. Ooh, I like that. Love flowers, love butterflies. Awesome set. Way cool. Oh, this is cute. What is this called? Sweet Days. So cute. I like that. Lots of ideas for that. And then another birthday one. Very cool. I don't have too many birthday things. And my sister is like, Dana, you need to make some birthday cards. I need to send out some birthday cards. So here's another set to do some birthday cards. And it looks like that's it. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for joining me this evening. This was just kind of a quick impromptu video. If you haven't already yet, please consider subscribing. It does greatly help build my channel. And as always, take some time to pamper your inner goddess, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.